In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer and arrange images in Google Slides. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially if you want to create more dynamic and visually appealing presentations. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves organizing their ideas visually, mastering this technique can definitely take your presentation game to the next level. First, let's head over to Google Slides. If you haven't already, open your web browser and type in Google Slides, or click on the app if it's in your bookmarks. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't done so yet. This is important because Google Slides is part of the Google Workspace suite and requires you to be logged in to access your documents. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see the option to start a new presentation. You can either click on blank presentation to start from scratch or choose from one of Google's ready-to-go templates. The blank presentation gives you complete creative freedom, while a template might provide you with a useful starting point to build upon. Now that your presentation is open, it's time to work with images. To get started, select an image that you want to incorporate into your slides. You can do this by going to the Insert menu and choosing Image, then either upload from your computer or from the vast array of options Google provides, like searching the web or fetching from your Google Photos. Once your image is placed on the slide, the next step is all about arranging it. Click on the image to select it, then head over to the Arrange menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Order. This feature allows you to control how images and other elements are stacked or layered on your slide. For instance, if you want your image to sit behind other elements like text or additional images, simply click on Send to Back. This moves your image layer to the bottom and allows other elements to appear in front. This layering can create depth and focus in your presentation, making it visually engaging. Experiment with these tools by adjusting the order of various elements until you achieve the desired layout. Playing with layers not only makes your slides more attractive, but also reinforces your presentation's message by guiding the viewer's attention effectively. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to expertly layer and arrange images in Google Slides. This technique is a simple yet powerful way to enhance the visual impact of your presentations. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.